What does it mean? What does it mean?
Unfortunately, he'll never walk again. Unfortunately, he'll never walk again. It's 100% fact. It's 100% fact.
Oh my God. Oh my God. How will he cope? How will he cope? I shouldn't have left him any. I shouldn't have left him any. Need to come back. Need to come back.
Actually, he's already come to terms with him being a burden. Actually, he's already come to terms with him being a burden. That's why he told me to tell you to find someone else. That's why he told me to tell you to find someone else.
Really?
Yeah.
He said that to you? He said that to you?
Word for word. So relax. Look around. Look around. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe there is someone nearby. Maybe there is someone nearby. I can comfort you. I can comfort you.
Yes?
Mrs. Stone, good evening. Mrs. Stone, good evening.
Is your husband home? Is your husband home?
Well, he's actually in the hospital. He's actually in the hospital. Are you here because of the accident?
Yeah.
Are you here because of the accident?
Yeah. Yes. The city asked me to deliver this to him. The city asked me to deliver this to him. Your husband is being awarded the Citizens Medal of Valor. Your husband is being awarded the Citizens Medal of Valor. Hear the invitation to the ceremony. Hear the invitation to the ceremony.
Sorry, it must be some kind of mistake. Sorry, it must be some kind of mistake. As I was told, my husband was hit by a car. As I was told, my husband was hit by a car.
Ma'am, he saved a little girl on the road. Ma'am, he saved a little girl on the road. That's how he got injured. That's how he got injured. Please, pass this on to him. Pass this on to him.
Thank you. Oh my God. What kind of person am I? What kind of person am I?
Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Yes, he's definitely a good guy. Yes, he's definitely a good guy. But it doesn't mean that you're obligated to carry this burden. You're obligated to carry this burden for the rest of your life. The rest of your life.
Don't you dare talk about him like that. Don't you dare talk about him like that. My husband is a hero. My husband is a hero. I need to apologize. And I need to apologize. Leave. Leave.
Laura, you're back.
Tony, please forgive me. Tony, please forgive me.